Pranayama is an ancient practice from yoga that translates to life force, prana, control. It involves controlled breathing exercises that aim to improve physical and mental health. There are many different pranayama techniques, each with its own specific benefits. Some of the most common techniques include Dirgha Pranayama, 3-part breath. This is a simple and calming breath that involves inhaling slowly through the nose, filling the belly, chest, and then clavicles, and then exhaling slowly through the nose. Kapalbhati, skull shining breath. This is a more stimulating breath that involves forceful exhalations followed by passive inhalations. Bhastrika, bellows breath. This is a powerful breath that involves rapid pumping of the abdomen. Anuloma viloma, alternate nostril breathing. This breath involves inhaling through one nostril and exhaling through the other. Pranayama has been shown to have a number of health benefits, including reduced stress and anxiety, improved lung function, increased blood oxygen levels, improved heart health, enhanced cognitive function, improved sleep quality. If you are interested in trying pranayama, it is important to find a qualified teacher who can teach you the proper techniques.
ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে লাইক কমেন্ট ও শেয়ার করুন আর নিয়মিত আপডেট পেতে চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন এবং বেল আইকনে গিয়ে ক্লিক করুন।